In how many installments should I take payment from my client for the IT services that I have provided? Should it be just 50% before or 50% after? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Divya Rajpurohit, an AI and automation specialist working from home in a UK-based company. And this is day 4 of sharing my learning as a side hustler, freelancer, and a small IT firm owner. So, how do you have already got a client and you have already decided the cost that you are going to charge, and everything is mutually decided. But now the question is, in how many installments should the client pay you? How to set up those installments and whether or not to set up the installments. Okay. So, how to decide those things as a service provider? So first thing is the entire payment system depends on two things. First thing is how long the project is going to last, whether like it is going to take 3-4 months, 6, 7, 8 months, or it is just 2 days, 3 days, or within a week, or 15 max 15 days project. So that is the duration. Second is how costly the project is. If the project cost is very much, then then you have to of course give the installments, provide the installment facility, and if not, then yes, it's just before and after 50% works. So, for example, what I do and I'll suggest is, if the project is of, you'll say if it will take just 15 days, then you can set up a thing known as 50% before initiating the project and 50% before delivery, but yes, after completion of the project. Make sure whenever you are completing the project, make sure you show the demo and take everything written on email, the client approval. Make sure you take the client approval over email that yes, everything is correct, I have seen the demo, everything looks good and I'm fine and good to go. And then once he does pays your final installment, and you deliver or deploy or host the project. Okay. And if the project is long, it's going to take 3-4 months to complete, then provide the monthly installment facility. You can charge like 50% before initiating the project, and then you can put a fixed percentage as a monthly installment for your project, for completing the project. And once everything is completed, you can keep that last payment. Make sure the last payment that you keep should be very less. It could be 10% of the entire cost, because it's better to keep the last installment the 10% only, or 5%, and keep the monthly installment according to it. So this is how you can divide how many installments to keep and how the client is to pay the cost. And also installments helps client to pay or take large or high budget projects easily. So yeah, this is day 4, and follow and subscribe for more such learnings.